Here's the knife.
Stay back.
Oh my goodness.
Jellies for Easter eggs. Mom, I can't see. Huh? Band-aids? What is more stickers? So if we want to spell words,
Band-aids.
we can band-aid.
She must have known you guys have been going through Band-aids lately.
I'm trying to see the band-aid. Oh.
Oh, those are the bulbs.
Band-aid.
Give those to Mama.
Oh,
She'll
these
put
are-
those in the garage.
Okay, band-aid. Mom, I can't see. Ooh. Scissors! Mama, can you hold me up? And look what we got. Dinosaur baby. Dinosaurs! What are those?
Yeah, pull them out. You come with it. Here,
I
here.
can't see. We can cut out
Why don't you go put these on the couch?
these. We can cut out. Why I need to put them on the couch?
So you can look at them. If you'd like.
New clips for Carol. SpongeBob. SpongeBob! Stamps! Stamps! Mama, can you open this?
Hair clips.
There's pink.
Would you like some pink ones?
Here.
Do you just open them?
Trucks.
And then you slide them off of the.
I want to we can make a little bottles with these. Thank you.
One of these guys.
There's some of those people. What are these? Oh, and a race car.
Looks like glue. Oh my goodness, I remember those.
Mm-hmm. I love those.
I used to have those when I was a kid.
Are
I
those
completely
glues?
forgot. I love those too.
Those work really good with glitter.
But,
Put the glue down and then you sprinkle the glitter on it.
What? This?
The glue pen. Oh, I see you got jelly bellies there.
We can use them for
Those are my
Easter
favorites.
eggs. Easter eggs.
Easter eggs?
Yeah, what are these?
that looks like glitter.
Yep.
Oh, those are foam stickers. Those giant tubs are stickers. That one's open over there already. Oh, well, I guess.
Yeah, some are letters and numbers and other ones. Right now.
Who can do this one thing?
Yeah.
And eat some jelly beans.
Mm-hmm.
Those would make a good after dinner treat. Maybe after snack.
He said after snack.
Yeah, maybe after snack you guys could have some jelly beans.
The dinosaur baby.
Wow. Look at all
Others.
these goodies. You really made it out.
These are sharp. These scissors.
Those are fancy scissors. They cut neat patterns like zigzags and stuff like
Hey,
that.
I have those at my old school.
Oh yeah?
At my preschool. And you know, I cut myself with one of those.
Oh, is that what you cut yourself with?
Yeah.
gotten very good at making scissors now, so I don't think.
Stickers! Hey, look at. There's a drawing of them. This one goes bumps. This one goes like round, bump, bump, bump. Circle, half circle, bump, bump, bump.
Look
at
at
this
this
sticker.
sticker. It's a button sticker.
For me?
What were you in, Claire?
Oh, so you can draw things.
Dad, what's this dump the whole jar? What's this dump the whole? What's this dump the whole jar?
No, let's not dump the whole jar.
Why?
Because that would make a mess.
Even simple. I have 2 cars. I got it. Look what I got. Look what I got.
Yeah.